Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix WhatsApp not opening, unfortunately stop at problem solve. Click settings, click about phone, then update your phone, click app management, click app list, click WhatsApp, click storage use, click clear data, then click OK. Then click data use details, then turn on background data, click permission, then allow all permission, then open Google Play Store, search WhatsApp. If you get any update, please update. Click settings, click storage, click clean, then click clean, then restart your phone. Thanks for watching.